Good morning, guys. Good morning. How's There we go. Perfect. Where's the monies? Where's the monies, Josh? To do. Hey, yo, Musty, good morning. Good morning, Donald. Jay, good morning. Nance, good morning. Johnny, good morning. Justin, good morning. Paige, AOE, good morning. Eddie, good morning. Jay, good morning. Good morning, Gail. Good morning. Good morning. The monies has been in SPRC this morning. SPRC. I do like this retest actually. If we can stay above $6 for SPRC. Samuel, what is DWAC looking like this morning? It's looking exactly as expected. Um, right, so DWAC is gapping down this morning. It's down 8%. So is Fun. Fun is down 7%. I don't think again this is not a surprise, right? Not a surprise at all. I think this thing was at 56.50. When the news came out last night that Trump had won, it had a really nice push, right? But again, like it's extended, right? It's very similar to Bitcoin or anything else that has news. Whenever something has a catalyst coming, you want to be very careful on the day that it actually comes because that might be the end. Happens every time, right? Look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. So I don't know. It's very rare that I see something. I don't know if it's ever happened to me, where like I'm watching something and it's pumping into an event, and then the event happens and it keeps pumping. So a bit of a buy the hype and sell the news. The S&P is going to open up a new all-time highs, guys. That's crazy. Another new all-time high for the markets. Crazy, crazy. And then AI. We've talked about AI. We talked about AI at $24, right? Uh, that beautiful daily looking chart at $24. Look at that. It's beautiful. Look at our little Lambo. We drew that little Lambo at 24, 23.50. That's our Lambo. You like the Lambo? I like the Lambo. So then we came back to the same zone and then we bounced again. So from 23.50, we're back to $27. So that's a nice little bounce. I'm sure it's gonna have resistance here at 27 though, but let me see. Exactly. Buying puts on and Boomskis, I don't even have to actually buy them. Yeah, that's pretty scary. Yeah, I don't know, Josh. Like the markets just keep pumping. Times have really changed. I don't know what's happened, but nobody seems to. Anyways, GETR is another one. These guys had news. They secured 20 million in financing following the Q3 earnings results. And the stock is up 104%. Lots and lots of resistance at 40 cents, 38 to 40 cents for GETR, but it's done well. It's gone in the right direction. So it's going to need to break out though. SPRC, like we mentioned, this one's done really well. Your next resistance is that $7 level if we can stay above 6. Here's the, I'm going to refresh this list quickly here. Here's your list of gainers. We've most likely talked about all of these names. Most likely. So we talked about, well, NXU had news this morning. Musty, are you happy? EVAX had news last night. Not sure what's happening with Kura, but maybe it's a buyout. I don't know. Anyways, RDHL had news last night. VSME had a nice little move. Yeah, a whole bunch of. There's a flood warning. Flood, like in the winter. Well, it's not winter for you. You have nice weather. That's annoying. DWAC is at $46 now. So again, and we mentioned this. I want to be more happy. This is. Um, we mentioned this last night, right? Before the market closed, before the stream ended, right? So if you're holding one of these names like DWAC and FUN, you're holding these calls, and you up like 100. And I think someone was up 190 something percent. Take your initial monies off the table, cause right. Once we get to the event and it happens, people tend to like want to move on. La, la, la. It dropped 70% in a month. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, Let me see. Let me see. Do I see the comments? Na, 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 na. Uh, doo, 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 doo. There we go. Spy? No, Spy just keeps going boom skis. Should have been out. Yeah, at least take some monies off the table. Like at least secure some profits. At least the point of like maximum retail hype is the point where you're like, what's happening? What's happening? Everybody's looking forward to today. You want to start thinking like, oh, everybody is greedy. Let me be fearful. Blah blah blah. Uh, yeah, silly question, but do you think you could allow so I can follow? I play your videos while you're at work. No worries if not. Like closed captioning, like the voice. I don't know if I can. I'm sure there's a way to do it. I've just never done it. Soho, never done it. I'm sure there's a way to do it though. Like in the process of creating the stream. Oh, there it is. Closed captions. The, let me see here. Uh, yeah, I think that's something I have to do before the stream starts. So it doesn't let me to turn it on. It yeah. You have captions. You do. Oh, okay. Huh. You have closed. You have the captions. One. Interesting. Okay. Not sure how you got it. Yeah, I'm not sure how you got it. Because I'm working. Try to. No, no, no. But I'm watching it, so it's weird. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Hmm. La, 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 la. Okay, let me see. So for those of you guys asking for Rumble, 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 uh, let's see. Do, 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 do. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let's go. We have a super chat on Rumble, guys. For some reason, I can't see it. For some reason, I can't see it on not Rumble, on StreamYard. I wish I could actually. It's annoying. You have to turn it off, or you do QE. Okay. Well, let's go. How do I pull this up on Rumble? How do I do that? I do not know. La, 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 la. I haven't a clue. Hmm. La, 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 la. La, la. Yeah, I have no idea how to pull this up. Is it an edit thing? Shouldn't be. Hmm. Yeah, that's weird. I don't know. Love it. Let's go, Josh. Let's go, Mo. Come on. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the super chat. There you go. Shaftman, good morning. Curl, that would be nice. So you can take the rest of the week off. That would be nice. Uh, why? That Robert DWAC fun. Because it did really well. And it's going to continue to do well, must you? right? Uh, DWAC is at $45. That thing was below 10. That thing was below $20. So yes, it's dipped $5. It's still all the way up there though, right? Fun was at 12 cents last week. It's still at 38. Right? It's not even below the low that we hit yesterday. So these things are still holding up quite well. Yeah. Anyways, back to SPRC. SPRC has done a good job kind of holding above $6. So it would be nice if it stayed above that level. We're gonna keep watching that. GETR looks fine too. We just have to break above that 38, that 38 cent range, and then push above 40 cents, and then you're looking for 50. RDHL isn't doing much. I think it's because the float is closer to 20 million. 20 million is not a big float, but still, like it's it kind of it makes these stocks hesitate. So answered the to and see that's see nosotros. I wish I don't know why the comments are not pulling up here, but they're not for some weird reason. You know, I wish the comments would pull up on. So what I do is like yeah, no, that's all YouTube stuff. Um, Mohammed, hi here. How are you, Salan? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Rusty. I'm sure at some point it's going to pull up, hopefully. RVSN. RVSN. How's it looking? It's down 8%. It's not looking so good. You have support at 590, 595.80 ish. Nas. Olu, good morning. Right. So, yeah. Yep. I wish I. Yeah, no, so it's clean. Sounds good and looks. Let's go. Thank you, Josh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hopefully, at some point, it decides to pull, show up on stream as well. So I use a streaming software, and it's supposed to like stream all over the place, but then bring the comments in one place. So then I don't have to like look at different platforms. Um, for some reason, it's not pulling the ones from Rumble though. So we'll have to try and fix that. Bonjour, bonjour, Sebastian. Bonjour, 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 Mr. Quebec. Good morning, Jeff. How are you? Okay, let's see here. NXU has a nice little demand zone at 165. I know Musty wants a lot more, but yeah, for now, I'm not sure why that thing hasn't performed better than it is because of a nice low float. Yeah, not sure why. Nah, 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 nah. What is this thing doing? Uh, nah, 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 nah. Interesting. Okay. And what's in thrust? Looks like SPRC for sure is a standout name going into the open. We have time. We have time. Yes, we do. Uh, Mohammed, I'll take a look at some point at Power Power USDT. After the huge increase after earnings, is Netflix gonna drop? What's your position in Netflix? What's your position in Netflix? Why do you need Netflix to drop? Yeah, so again, Netflix crushed earnings last night. Crushed it. Well, maybe crush is a bit excessive, but anyways, yeah, they did well. And the stock is pumping. So my question is, why do you need it to crash after they crushed earnings and the stock is pumping? If you're holding puts, if they expire at all at soon, you might be in trouble. Today, na 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 na. Can I ask which site or application you use to trade, please? I use this is TradingView. Yeah, this is TradingView. The candles you're seeing, those are TradingView candles. You Tesla shares? Okay. Yeah, so Tesla reports earnings today. Um, the stock is gapping up a little bit. It's up to 212, which is nice. Focus. Good morning. How much time do we have? Guess 7:02. 7:02. Let me take a look at this. There we go. La 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 la. La la. What platform are you currently? I don't know how to pronounce your name. Where are you from, and like what platform are you currently using? Can you share the indicator you use on TradingView, Danilo? It's not free. You'd have to become a member. Become a member and then buy it. It's not free. Doug, good morning. DMAC, AO, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, it's not free. Yeah, I can't pronounce your name. Otherwise, I would. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. So, for those of you guys that like Rumble, Revolut. What is Revolut? I've never heard of Revolut. Where do you live? Where do you live? Revolut. Interesting. Anyways, so if you like watching on Rumble, here's a link. Don't forget to make sure you subscribe to Rumble or whatever you have to do on there. But yeah, so that's the link. Evac is pushing. Yeah, it's on the left hand side here. Yeah, it's done a good job holding seven that the retesting and holding the view up actually, which is nice. It's done that twice now. Interesting. Yeah, Evax is pushing them. So yeah, watch for 920. 920 for potential double subs. Brent. But yeah, it's doing well. Interesting. La, 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 la. Okay, interesting. Good morning, Lori. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. La, la, la. Beautiful. Let me pull up the earnings calendar here so we can have a quick look and then go from there. So Tesla reports today. IBM. Well, Tesla is going to be the main name here we are watching, anyways. So if you're holding Tesla, you better pray that Elon doesn't say something silly, or that the market doesn't take. Anyways, you know how these earnings go. You know what? You know what? Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Unbelievable. Wow. Yeah, it says for some reason it can post at some destination to some destinations. Interesting. Unbelievable. Okay. At the moment, build up some views on here now. Get this exactly. Tell to stop being with this goats. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, Josh. Yeah. One step at a time, and then yes. Yes, yes, yes. Anyways, yeah, it looks like EVAX is still failing at $9.20 Brent. So if we can break above that level, and then you're looking for 10. SPRC looks a bit weak here going into the open. So we need to stay above that $6 level. $6. So there's that. There's this one. See if we can stay above $44 here for DWAC. I think 44 was a nice little base yesterday, wasn't it? Yeah, it was. So let's see if we can stay above that. Fun. The low from yesterday on fun was 37.50 ish. So let's see if we can stay above 37.50. Let's go, Tesh. Yeah. Let's go. One small step for me. Good morning, Wally. Good morning. Good morning. Question for you guys in the chat. What's your favorite name going into the open? What are you looking forward to the most? Uh, la, 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 la. Perfect. True, true. 350 shares. La, 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 la. Oh, $6. Let me see. Yeah, no, it's breaking below $6. So yeah, be careful there, please, please, and thank you. GETR is another name we want to watch going into the open. Same range for now. Same range. La 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 la. Sideways. Do virus. Good morning. You're looking for an entry into CISS. Has an offering closing. I'll take a look. CISS. You're looking for an entry, and they potentially have an offering closing. Announces closing of a $7. Okay, 7 million upsized public offering. Okay, well, it looks like they announced that news yesterday, so the offering is closed. Um, I mean, the bottoms for this thing was yesterday, right? So or the day before that. So it hit the same level of Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. So it's done a good job holding above 11 cents. So as long as it continues to stay above 11 cents, right? Look at the last 3 days. It's held the same level. So you need that thing to just stay above it, and you should be okay. Righty, Dale. Yeah, could be dangerous. Have stops, but looks yeah, it's trying. It's trying. Some nice little higher lows actually. Yeah, it just needs to break above that range, right? So it's going up and then coming back down, but then giving us a higher low like the wedge, like you said, right? So which is good, which is good. So it's gonna need to break out. I was gonna do something fun, but I'm not gonna do that. It's gonna be messy. Uh, we'll start singing. Am I a monster? La 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 la. Jeremy, good morning. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. You're hoping for a pump on NXU? Okay, well, must be smiling as you say that. As you say that. La, 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 la. Actually, let's close this out. What's on the breaking news? Nothing that I like. Voila, voila, voila. CYTEO 255. Okay, sounds good. Passion Basket. Hello from France. Hello, Passion. How are you? Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, CM. Yes, 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 yes. Maybe a squeeze, maybe. I tend to ignore these things, with like all these outside like metrics, like borrow rates and short interest. I tend to ignore these until the chart actually starts performing. Anyways, NXU, what are we doing here? $1.70, okay. I mean, again, like we said earlier, it's done a good job holding above $1.65 NXU, so that's good. Hey yo, Mark. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Right. So yeah, what else? What else do we need to look at here? Yeah. So there's your double top for EVAX. Alrighty. So yep, 70% run, but still $9.20 double top. So be careful with that. Unless we get a cup and handle and go for the third time, 920 is a problem. GETR said, ooh, ooh, GETR. Ooh, yeah, needs to break out. GTR says, ooh. La, la. There you go. Oh my goodness. That thing said wedge. Take this wedge, Josh, and send it to the moon. That thing is pumping 120%. Yeah, right? It's a nice little breakout. It's a very nice breakout again. Nice demand zones at the bottom, higher lows. The only concern here was that it was going sideways, but then as soon as it broke out, everybody said bye bye. I think your breakout usually happens at your last pivot. Okay, so yes, you can look at the very tops. But your breakouts will usually happen at the initial breakouts. Like the you always have to look to the left hand side to look at the last resistance. So you can kind of see these candles struggling right there, and then boom skis, and it's gone, and it's still going. 137%. My goodness, 138, and then backed off. Wild. Yeah. Stop loss below. Okay, sounds good. 137% is 80% bull, 20% bear. It came right up the bottom of the wedge and boom skis. It really did. It really did. It really, really did. It's a nice little, yep, nice little uptrendy. There goes 139. Sitting in a nice supply zone. Whenever these things get to like close to the 45 to 50 cent range, I'm always a bit concerned. You know? Ayo, JP. Ayo, ayo. Nosotros. Hello. Still feel FOMO without YouTube chat. We'll be back and forth, I think. Yeah. I think for now until yeah. So yeah. Still feeling YouTube chat FOMO. Choo, 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 choo. So that's something we're gonna be paying. Oh my goodness, look at NXU. Oh wow. Sheesh. 165. Where's Musty? Musty? Tesla is slowly bouncing there, which is nice. But we also know Tesla has earnings tonight. So earnings tonight. How much time do we have? Okay, 15 minutes. Some nice little pops, right? NXU with a nice little pop. EVAX is still fighting to break that 920 level. It's actually fighting, so that's a good thing. It almost looks like a cup and handle now, doesn't it? But at the end of the day, it's gonna need to not at the end of the day, like at some point it's gonna need to break above 920 to keep going. SPRC is still slowly selling off, so there's nothing to see here yet. Um, right, looking at some of these, I mean, DWAC looks like it's holding $44, which is good because 44 was the support from yesterday, and it looks like fun is holding 37.50, which was also the support from yesterday. So the Trump stocks are kind of holding up, right? Again, it's not a surprise that we sold off today. So if you're holding options, next time when you have something that's pumping on Monday, Tuesday, last week, right, and everybody's looking forward to a specific event, when that event happens, you should be very careful, right? Buy the hype, sell the news. Buy the hype, sell the news, right? So the example that I've used multiple times is imagine you're planning for the Mardi Gras. You're dressing up for the Mardi Gras. You have your face paint on. You have your tutu on, like you're from Scotland. You have your hair thing on. and you're dressing up, you're planning your day the day before, you're dressing up on the day, like you're planning for multiple days before the event, right? And then the event happens and you have fun, but then it's like, okay, what's next? That's how people react to these things. They get excited, like, oh my goodness, Tesla news is coming, Bitcoin ETF is coming, Donald Trump is going to win the primary. Well, let's pump it. Right? Yes, it did pump. But then when it happens, you want to be very careful because everybody says, okay, what? Now what? Let's go home. Give my ball. I'm going back home. So be very careful when you're holding things into events that get, people all excited. Stuart wears a tutu? Yes, he does. He's a Scottish tutu. Anyways. Anyways, so be careful. Be careful. When people are greedy, you should be fearful. Alrighty? Now, when people start panicking, like, oh my goodness, Bitcoin is going to the abyss, maybe that's when. Back to GETR, because that looks like the most promising name going into the open, even though we don't like it pumping like this into the open. It's doing well. Good morning, Virgo. Good morning, Richard. Where do I report this bullying? I see you, Jeremy. Okay. I see you. Tesla's back below 212. Still green for the day though, which is good. Anybody planning on playing Tesla into earnings? Options, puts. Yeah, I see you with a nice little push. A 9% pop. Nice candles, Jeremy. Not a massive move, but still nice candles. The NXU Musty has a lot of resistance here, 177 for some reason. It's the view up on the 1 minute. That's what it's stalling at. EVAX is still just sitting below that $9 level. SPRC needs to get back above. I bet you we get back above when the market opens on SPRC, but for now, it's all about the GETR. And it actually hit new highs on that candle, 44.50. 44.50. Don't judge. No judging. No judging. Okay. Let's see here. Just looking at the list of stonks. Into earnings. Okay. Interesting. Bonjour, Emer. Swim? 20 degrees today? Wow. You went for an outdoor swim? Oh, wow. We have a new member on Rumble. I don't know how this works. I have no idea. It JGP66. Okay, that's Jody. Jody, that's you, right? I think. Is now a monthly. Let's go. See, I have no idea how all of this all of this works. But yeah, love it. Yes, Jody. Well, thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate that. ORTX is halted up. Okay. Well, there goes GETR, guys. That thing looks really good going into the open. 142%. 143%. 144%. That's a nice little run. My goodness. Sheesh. Yeah, Anne is not going to be happy with this one because she wanted to get in, but. Z breakouts. Every day you go for an outdoor swim? That's amazing. I want to move to France. I know I don't. No, I don't. It's 20 degrees and you're going for a swim? See, I can't swim. So, anyways, you did, Omega? That's annoying. Yeah. No, the good thing here was the breakout, right? Typical breakout. This is how we want to play pre-market. This is how we want to play after hours anyways, right? You can kind of look to the left-hand side and you can see the breakouts. Again, you can look to the low pivot, right? Or you can look at, you can look at the entire resistance wall. All of it, all of it. As soon as that thing broke out, it said goodbye, thank you, see you never. Right now, it's stalling at 45 cents. There's a bit more of a there's a darker supply zone at 45 cents. So if we can break above that and hold, We're most likely pushing to 50. My concern though is we have 9 minutes before the market opens, so you want to be careful. With the rain we have, you might be swimming in the living room. Yeah. Do you know where your Scottish blood comes from? Any clan? The uh, the Stewart clan. Hopefully an open dip. Yeah. 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 I don't think we're gonna push to 50 cents just like that. So if we do, then that would be impressive. That would be very impressive. Nah, nah. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like if you're watching on either of the platforms. Alrighty, please and thank you. So if you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second and smash a like, please. Let's see, and yeah, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to either of the channels, whether that's Rumble or YouTube's. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there on YouTube's to come join us in Discord already. Don't forget to share the link as well if you haven't. Hit that and yeah. Uh, into the snow and the ice. That's what you do in Ontario. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know if I want to be outside, Kiwi. It's been raining for 3 days. Yeah, that's why Lori was not. Yeah, Jill mentioned the flood. Hmm. That's why Jill mentioned the flood. Yeah, that's annoying. That's annoying. Well, yeah, that's annoying. No, 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 no. Repost. Yeah, the flood. Anyways, it looks like NXU failed at 177 and then came back down to 165. So that level is some solid resistance. There goes EVAX, guys. EVAX is breaking out of that 920 resistance area. So there goes new highs of the day. Alrighty, there goes 950. There goes 950. Yeah, 910, 920. So 920 is broken, and then 950, your next little step there. Let me zoom out really quickly before we get to the open. I want to see what the daily looks like here. Yeah, so 950 and then $10. Nothing new. Nothing new. Nothing new. Yeah, I think Jill, I think you and Virus live in the same area. Yeah, same area. No, no, no. Yeah. Anyways. Beautiful. Evax. Yeah, let's see if we can open up and not sell off. You know, that would be good. SPRC really isn't doing much. I'm going to refresh the gainer list one last time. Again, if you're holding anything going into the open, please let me know. Or if you have questions, please let me know so we can look before the market actually opens. There's nothing new on the list that we haven't talked about already. So GETR obviously is doing really well into the open. Just be careful. What do we add? Yeah, 45 cents. Whenever we get to that 45 to 50 cent range, you want to be cautious, especially into the open. Alrighty. So that's done well this morning. Evax is obviously hitting brand new highs. Most of these tickers have news. We've talked about them or they're posted in Discord already. SPRC, so top three, right? And then at the bottom of the list we have some other names that we're going to look at, but obviously the top three going into the open are the ones we're going to focus on. There goes 958, 958 for Evax. So that is looking really good going into the open. What I would like to see here for GETR is maybe just hold above 40 cents. I mean, honestly, even a dip to 39 to 38.50 at the open isn't too bad. But it would be nicer to just stay up there though and then curl. DWAC is still selling off. DWAC broke below 44. Good morning, Eric. Osvaldo, good morning. Right, so DWAC broke down. Fun is still holding 3750, which is interesting. We shall see what happens at the open. Blah blah blah. The S&P is going to open at all-time highs, guys, which is impressive. Very very impressive. All-time highs. Alika, good morning. All-time highs. All-time highs. But how come market crash? Nope. What happened to the market crash? It said nope, no, thank you. Yeah, it's delayed on Rumble. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know how. I'm sure. I don't know if there's a way to fix like the delay. I don't know. No. What's the actual time though? Test day. Yeah. Yeah. Not for you. Yeah. 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 Not for you. Josh. Yeah. It's not delayed for you. Okay. It's not delayed for you either. Yi. Okay. Okay. Yeah. It's because virus is dealing with a flood. He's delayed. He's delayed all over the place. It's the flood. Yes, Z floods. I'm gonna leave it on EVAX actually going into the open here. Let's see. So if we can get to $10 at some point for EVAX, that would be nice. No delay. No delay, JT Mac. Okay, sounds good. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. I'm glad there's no delay because I don't know how to fix it. Anyways, let's go, Greg. Come on, let's make some more monies today. More monies. That's your breakfast. Blueberry. Blueberry. That's a blueberry bagel. That looks interesting. It's very interesting. Let's go, Yi. Let's go. No, you can. Yeah. No, let's see how that works, Yi, and then go from there. But inflation, but recession, Eric. No, and we said this exact same thing. I said this exact same thing yesterday, right? Let's keep the politics aside because people really want to say, but Trump is good for the market. The market is hitting all time highs as Biden is president, so the market doesn't care. It's because one person is really vocal about it and somebody else isn't vocal. So um, yeah, I think that's the difference. Yeah. You just found the subscribe button. Let's go. See, I still have no idea how any of this works, so I'm gonna have to figure this out at some point today. Josh, we have another member on Rumble, guys. Another member on Rumble. Rumble. Come on, let's go. Yeah, what yeah. No, the market does not care, and neither should we, right? So, and here we are, guys. We're officially open. So EVAX looks like it's pumping a little bit here. I would be careful when the market opens. I would be careful. Alrighty. GETR is still it's taking its time. There goes the load. So 40 cents. Like I said, even if we dipped all the way to 38.50 or 39, that would be okay too. It looks like DWAC is bouncing, and it looks like Fun is still holding that 37.50. The S&P obviously is at new all-time highs. And EVAX had a nice push to 970 and then backed off. So typical market open volatility, guys. Right? Let the market sell off, let it consolidate, and then go from there. No need to rush at all. These things are all selling off at the open. All of them selling off, selling off, selling off. So no need to rush at all, please. Good morning, Nemo. No. I just mean like not the supporters, not the people supporting them. I just mean like the presidents, right? Like one person is really vocal, like, "Oh my goodness, I'm making monies for your 401k," and then the other person doesn't say anything. So, no, not the people themselves. Like Good morning, pizza. Ayo. $9 is what you're looking for. Okay, $9. $9. Let's see if that thing can stay above. There goes 920, 926. Yeah, the typical market open volatility. There you go. So it looks like we actually came exactly to 38.50, guys. Exactly for GETR. That's the level we wanted. The reason we want that level is because that's your breakout zone, right? So that candle came right at 38.50, right? And then popped to 43 cents, and it's going now. So back to 132% here. Obviously, a lot of supply, lots of redness, right? So we shall see if we can break out. There goes 33, 43.77, 43 cents. 43 cents. So that looks good for now as long as we stay above that bottom, right? EVAX is still kind of figuring what it wants to do, still deciding. Um, for now, as long as we stay above that $9 ish range, 880 to be, well, let's say 880 because that's the bottom. I always look for the bottom, alrighty? So if we can stay above that, that would be okay. Fund broke down, so did DWAC. Surprise. SPRC still selling off. Do not jump into these things at the open unless they consolidate. Unless they start to curl, stay away. Right? 9 out of 10 times when you buy something immediately at the open, you're going to be losing monies, and then you're going to pray, please, pretty please. But I won't do it again. Just this one time, just pump. Anyways, so I mean, even GETR dropped to the level we wanted before it pumped, right? So, anyways, there goes 43. We need to break above 45 cents. 45 cents. EVAX is dropping now too. It looks like we're bouncing from the 200 on SPRC brands, right? This 200 is a big level, always a big level. I always look at the 200 into the open, depending on where it is, right? So this little white line you're seeing at the bottom, that line is very important. Always a watch when we get to the open. Anyways, back to GETR because that's the 143%, 144%, 145%, 146, 149%, 150%. My goodness, 150. That's a nice push, right? Yeah, Tesla's going to be wild today, especially with earnings coming up. So it might be a nice scalp, but yeah, nice. It might be volatility scalps, but other than that, it's dangerous. Danger, yeah. So yeah, GTL looks good. That's not what I want to do. 149. SPRC said, hey guys, I give you one candle and I go back to the abyss. EVAX is playing games here with you, Josh, and it's back above $9, which can be very annoying. Yeah, it's actually holding up quite well. Well, bouncing off that bottom quite well, not holding. But there goes 950. $9.50. Look at these two names. Like look at GETR. Oh my goodness. 47 guys. 155%, 158%. Oh my goodness, that's a nice push. EVAX was a scam candle. That thing pumped to 989 and then immediately dropped. So that thing has scamminess all over it. Scamminess all over that thing, Josh. Okay, I need to log in into one of these. 48. do. Bye, Felicia. Oh my goodness, that thing broke 50 cents. Oh wow. Oh yeah, like that thing is on fire. 170. My goodness. RDHL is moving now too. Interesting. Interesting. La la la. La la la. What executed this morning? Okay. Interesting. There we go. La 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 la. Okay, perfect. There we go. Are you not entertained? That's what's 1,000% between friends exactly, right? I'm surprised how quickly this thing moved above 50 cents though. It's that's quite a nice push. Quite a nice push. You forgot to like the stream? That's okay. You can like it now. You can like it now. You can like it. So there goes your push to 40 from 51 to back to 45. Retesting the breakout. So you just have to stay above 45 cents at this point. Alrighty, so your breakout was 45. That has to be your retest level. So that candle got pretty damn close and then bounced. So 45 cents. Stay above 45 cents, go back to 50 cents, and you're fine. EVAX, that thing's a bit sketchy. SPRC is still dropping. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. The S&P is at 488, 487 still. Yup. Yup. You're happy, Josh? Well done. Well done, well done. What's AI doing here? Just want to see if that thing is still at a bit of a drop. What's Palantir doing? Monies. Palantir is at 17. Okay, nice little gap up. And look, they all seem they're all exactly just following the S&P. What's Bitcoin at actually? 40K again. Okay, nice. Very nice. Here comes another retest for GETR if we can consolidate. SPRC is trying to reclaim the 9 and the 200, so that's a good thing, but that's not good enough. It's going to need to give us a higher low. You got in at 85. Okay, that's yeah. Don't know how you topped. You ticked the bottom exactly. That's exactly the bottom. So well done. Well done. Good morning, and kids. Good morning. Good morning. All day, every single day, Josh. All day, every single day, and then compound. So it looks like GETR came back to 45 exactly this time on that candle, and then immediately bounced to 47. So as long as we stay above that 45-cent range, which is the breakout retest, we're okay with that. Push, retest, and then bounce. EVAX is back to $9. That thing is all over the place. Is it worth a buy? Is that the actual name of the company? VSME performance? Because I don't know if it is. I don't know if it is. And then the S&P dropped back to retesting the 87 range. The 87 range, SPY's about to hit new lows of the day, but it's still nice and green for the day though. PHUN. I mean, PHUN has a nice little demand zone at 35 cents now, and it's back to 37. So, Jack, I'm not sure what your question is. Let me know. DWAC also bounced off 42. So, until these things start giving us higher lows, you're just spamming tickers now, Jack. I don't know what your actual question is. So, let me know. There goes 47 again. SPRC is actually having a really nice bounce from the bottom. It's halted. SPRC is halted up, guys. It's halted up. 558. Good morning, Sky. Yeah, that thing is halted up. Wild. Wild. Let's see. I forgot to respond to the message. Yeah, it's an interesting halt, isn't it? Very interesting halt. Oh well. And so DWAC for now seems to be waking and holding about 42.20, so that's good. And then PHUN is still playing with 37. Still playing with 37. Interesting. Yeah, no, Palantir looks okay. Looks okay. AI is a bit slow, but that's the type of stock it is, though. It's a very slow stock. And obviously that thing had lots of resistance at 27 anyways. Look at EVAX, guys. EVAX is back up to almost $10. 970. The annoying thing is that thing halted? Yeah, it's halted now too. Wow. Right. The annoying thing about these things is it's one candle. Yeah, it's halted. It's like one candle and then boom skis. I hate stuff like that. Hate. It is a jerk, isn't it? Yeah. Hates when it's that volatile. It's a bit more complicated to manage. You know. I actually enjoy the DWAC and fun rallies more than all this chaos. Anyways, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, come join us. Click the link at the bottom there and come join us already. Already, yes. La, yeah, fun is back to 38 cents. DWAC is actually pushing 44. What's Rumble doing? I don't think I've looked at Rumble yet today. Rumble looks exactly the same as the S&P or like all the other names. DWAC. Yeah, nice little bounce. 585 for Rumble and then bounce. Market open drop, a bit of consolidation at demand and then bounce. Cool. Come on, give us on halts. Yeah, fun is back to 39 cents. 39 pennies. Good morning, Lorenda. Ayo, how are you? There goes DWAC. DWAC is going for $45. Right? So all these Trump stocks are like, you know what, guys? We're done with this market dipskis. You guys like us more anyways, so let's pump it. DWAC is above $45. So that's a really nice bounce from the bottom. GETR still holding 45 cents, so that's good. For now. And DWAC is hitting new highs of the day, almost 46, 45.90, 45.90, 45.92, and VWAP. Actually, that's the interesting. Yep, and then the 200, so at $46. Nice push. That's your scalp, Sky. Your favorite scalpies. ENSC. I'll take a look. ENSC. Oh wow, almost 27 again. Nice. Almost $27. Interesting. $27. Yeah, Palantir and AI look like almost identical here. Almost identical. Bullfrog? Yep, that thing should be at $10 already, Brent. Should be at $10. There goes DWAC. DWAC broke about $46. 46. 46. So, nice little scalp. Nice little scalp. 90s. Perfect. What will do at the open? Well, it's an interesting spot that it's halted at. I don't want to say too much for this one. Looking at the bid and the ask, just because it's one of those crazy stocks. So let's wait for it on halt and then go from there. It looks like DWAC is failing at the 200, so that's not. Oh my goodness! Look at the size of that candle from 46 to 43. Isn't that crazy? My goodness! Talk about volatility. Volatility. uh, Talk about volatility. Nah. Netflix ended the day 600. Well, Well, perhaps. Actually, let's see. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Cool. Hmm. Interesting. Okay. Moving on. Moving on. You just made 30 on Netflix. Doing what? Were you holding calls? What are you holding? You made you must have been holding calls, I think, right? Netflix, and then you sold them this morning. I mean, it looks really good. It looks really really good. So congratulations. Yeah, you bought shares. Well, you must have bought a lot of shares then if you're up that much. A lot of shares. So congrats. Huh, interesting levels. You bought like 2,000 shares. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, no, Netflix looks really good. So congratulations. Anyways, moving on. EVAX is still halted here, guys. And so is SPRC. So the two names we're kind of paying attention to. They're halted. So we just for now we wait. For now we wait. Is the S&P dropping here? Because Palantir and AI are both dropping to new lows. What's SPY doing? Yeah, SPY is also hitting lows of the day. Wouldn't it be funny if, like, on the day that we hit new all-time highs, was the day that the we keep saying that every day though, and then all of a sudden it decides to not do anything. So we'll see. Let me take a look. Yeah, sure. ENSC. La 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 la. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Lots and lots of resistance at $2 and kids. So yeah, lots and lots of resistance. Anyways, looks like SPRC is on halted, guys, and it pushed all the way to $6 again. It actually made new highs of the day, which is nice. Made new highs of the day, which is nice. There we go. SPRC 590. That's a nice bounce. It's a very nice bounce. Sometimes I wish these things would just sell off and consolidate, and give us some really good levels instead of doing crazy things. Kimbella, good morning. But that's a nice push because that halt makes it difficult to trade. La, 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 la. NXU is a big fail so far. Yeah, that thing's been disappointing. It's been very very disappointing, honestly. Musty's been holding that thing for a whole month now, and every day it keeps dropping. So yeah, that thing is for sure disappointing. Very disappointing. Come on, $6. Is it six or is it six? No, I think it's 610. 610 for resistance on SPRC. Anyways, moving on. DWAC looks like it's bouncing off 40 off that 42, which is good because it's been bouncing off the same level, right? 42.60. So hopefully it stays above that level. Netflix is hitting new highs of the day. You're in fun at 38. Okay. You're slightly red in that position for now. As soon as DWAC dropped to 42, 42.60, fund dropped from 40 cents. So EVAX is on halted, guys, and it's at $10 now. That thing actually pushed to 11.40. Yeah, it's on halted. The volatility. You're in Rumble at 580, 587. Okay, 587. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, no, EVAX is crazy, Richard. So it is green. It's very green. It's 107%. Just try not to hold the bag on something like this because once it goes to the abyss, it's not coming back. So don't hold the bag, please. Please and thank you. It looked like a double bottom. Yeah, that one. This one's dropping like a tomato. Rumble, rumble. Hmm. Yeah, on like I mean, it depends the time frame you're looking at. As yeah, yeah, it depends. It depends. Okay, so yeah, Jeff, if we can stay above $5.80, I think you're fine. Um, yeah, hopefully it stays above it. Yeah, no, it was something else. It's like what the hell is that? Yeah, no, 83. Yes. So if we can stay above that double pivot at 583, Jeff, you should be okay. Alrighty. So stay above and you should be okay. Nah, nah. uh, you sold it because you have to. Okay, sounds good. You're done for the day, Richard. Okay, sounds good. Get to work, please, and thank you. Yeah, DWAC is looking like it wants to break down here. Looking like it wants to break down. No doubt about that. Yes, sugar is bad in large quantities. Yes, it is. 6 dollars. Yeah, looks like Rumble is breaking down. So DWAC is also breaking. Well, Rumble is actually holding up. DWAC is breaking down. So that the bottom for Rumble is a good little spot if it can stay above it. And then SPRC is still fighting with $6.10. Today might be the day, Virgo, that the S&P decides to crash. Today might be its. NVIDIA yeah, we did the same stupid thing yesterday though, and then we eventually hit new highs. So eventually hit new highs. Na, 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 na. Let's see. Na, 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 Interesting. Interesting. Spy 85, 80, 85. I need it to crash. Uh, Come on, hit higher highs, and it will drop. Come on, Spy, hit higher highs. Rumble is doing a good job there, Jeff, of holding above 85. So 83. So 583. So good job on that double bottom. Good job on catching that while you're working or whatever you're doing. Well done. ENSE could not break $2, guys. It's selling off now. EVAX is actually doing a very good job of staying above $10. That's impressive. All-time highs and pushing as well. Yep. Well, we shall see. GETR looks like it's bouncing now. Not too bad. Not too bad if we can stay above 40 cents already. 46. Yeah, well done. Tesla. Tesla's in the abyss again. Every single day, Tesla goes back to the abyss. Every single day. I think it's going to keep doing this until they report good earnings. If they do report good earnings, then it's going to maybe do its own thing. For now, though, it's the first one to go to the abyss. First to go to the abyss, you know. Let's see. Close that out. 7. Cool. Is going to Valhalla, Kura? For some reason, I thought those guys had buyout news. Just the way it gapped up. Yeah, it looks really good. Oncology source on 150 million premium pipe financing. So they just got a whole bunch of money. It's cool. A whole bunch of monies. Evax is still pumping him. Evax is pumping. Yeah, it looks impressive, doesn't it, Greg? I just wish this thing looked a bit more consistent, you know? Like the way it moved. I just wish the candles were nicer. Even though it's doing really well, the candles are hard to play. You're just having to FOMO and scalp really quickly. FOMO and scalp quick. Okay. Sushi is $92. This is a $92 stock. Well, anyways, there goes 1170. 130%. That's a nice run. That's a very nice run. Anybody holding Evax? I know Richard was, but he had to go to work, so. Behind a water heater. Jason taking naps on the other side of the wall. Jason, are you taking naps? You are? Come on, Sky. Come on. Love it. Yeah, Sky, 780, Greg? Okay, nice. Oh my goodness. I think it's just, I thought you bought immediately. That's FOMO, FOMO, FOMO. Oh, la 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 la. La 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 la. Maybe. It's halted at 1190. 1190. Oh, I like that. I like that little chart. Silo. I'll have to take a look. SPRC wants to break out, doesn't it? Like it's trying. It's going for that 610 again. It's fighting. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Can it actually break above 610 and stay above 610? That's the question now. Break and hold, and nope, it's failed again. So we know where the resistance is. It needs to break out and stay above it. It's not done it yet. So until it does, it's not really going anywhere. DWAC does have a nice bounce though, a really nice bounce. So 42.60, anywhere to close to 42 has been a nice area for DWAC. A really nice area. Fun isn't moving as much because DWAC is just going up and down. La, 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 la. Huh, interesting. Huh, cool. It's back to 200. That thing scares me, Jack. I don't know how you're playing with it, but if you're making money, that's good. That's very good. I don't know. I don't see why it's all the way up there. And one of these days, one of these days. La 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 la. Oh, interesting. 200s. You know what's good about like SPRC though is that it keeps coming back to that 610 level. It just feels like it's a matter of time before it breaks above 620. Um, but of course, you're better off waiting for that thing to break out. But yeah, it just keeps going there, and there it's 610, and there goes 610 again. From 560 all the way back to 610, and there it goes. There goes 630. Right? Is it actually gonna close though? Who knows? But it's trying. And there goes 640. There goes 650. So that's aggressive, and I bet you it's halted now. Yep, it's halted. Yep. Right. When things keep fighting the same resistance level, every time we test it, the weaker it gets. Every time we test, the weaker it gets. So it's just a matter of time before it breaks out. Halted at $6.49. $6.49. And what? And thrust. Let's go. Is now L. That's nosotros, right? Nosotros. Okay. Well done. Let's go. The thing is a fighter. Chase, you're still holding it, aren't you? Yeah, you are. That's wild. Chase was holding this thing from $13 and then averaged down to like $6.60, and then it went all the way to $2.80 or whatever it went to, and then he just kept holding and holding and holding, and eventually, today he's been saved. You're very lucky. You're very lucky. I hope this thing opens at $7 so then you can try not to go red again. Please try not to go red. Please and thank you. La, 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 la. Perfect. La, la, la. You're playing around with it. Lots more breathing room. No, that's perfect, Chase. I'm glad you did that. Otherwise, you'd be holding a nice bag and just waiting. La, 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 la. Perfect. Sold half. Is the S&P going back up again? Of course it is. SPY. Nope, it's not. It's sitting at the lows of the day. Will it bounce? Who the hell knows? Who the hell knows? Nice bounce for GETR. Guess what's on Halted? EVAX is on Halted and it's at 1220. And now it's dropping. These candles are wild. So scalp it, make sure you secure your monies. I'm glad that thing opened up higher so you can always secure monies. Alrighty. What are we looking at here? Okay, cool. Perfect. They have new news, or is it the same news from the other day? Uh, hmm. La, 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 la. until 13. Well, don't go red because you're holding until 13. Because if this thing halts on the way down, you won't get $13. Okay, just make sure you have a stop loss in there somewhere. If it doesn't hit, then that's perfect. You don't want it halting down, right? You don't want it halting down. So there goes 12.50. That thing skips quickly. My goodness, there goes $13 just like that. Oh my goodness, that is wild. That's pretty wild. To 10, down to 9, and finally 2 months, 2 month journey. Yeah, no, good job. You brought that average down. You want to try not to do that next time. You're better off just getting rid of it and then coming back later. But yeah, uh, Evax. That's a nice push. Rumble is dropping. Yep, yep. Not sure why it's dropping on its own though, because DWAC is still holding up there. Holding up. La, 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 la. Yeah, no, I don't see anything new for. Just had to quickly look, Greg. I don't see any new news. No new news. Zero. Interesting. Hmm. Cool. NVIDIA is a new highs of the day. I don't know how that thing is doing it, Virgo. I uh, I don't know how it's doing it, but it's doing it. Let's see. Interesting. NVDA 614. That's ridiculous. This is ridiculous. It's doing yeah, almost 615. Yeah, this is ridiculous. That's impressive. I don't think we've. I mean, we see stocks go like do some crazy numbers, not in like way better than Nvidia, but for a stock to be this expensive and be this strong is impressive. It's impressive. No, AVAX is not halted. It's still at $13. 13. Oh no, SPRC is halted down. Yeah, it is. That thing pushed to 650 and then halted down at 585. Like a squeeze. Alrighty, Josh. Have a wonderful rest of the day. See you later. Alrighty. Sentinel Island. Yeah, no, it's halted down here. Yep. Scary. Na 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 na. Uh, hmm. Interesting. Okay. I'm just looking at some of these names. Yeah, they had news this morning, and kids, they had some news this morning. Nvidia's at 616. 616. 616. Oh my days. GETR is slowly creeping up again to 46. So this double bottom above 40 cents isn't too bad, is it? It's not. We just have all these left-hand side pivots at 46.50. So if we can break above 46.50 and then maybe we're ready to go back to 50 cents. And EVAX is back to $13. Oh, earnings, yeah. Yep. Yep. 13 and then dropped to 12.20. Did you sell this thing, Sky? Hopefully you did. You wanted $13. Hopefully you sold at the price you wanted. That's a different stock, Greg. Oh, okay. Real Vision receives a. Hmm. I wonder why they attached a different ticker to it, though. There goes a drop, $12. You did 13. Okay, well done. Now, now make sure you don't lose it. Alrighty. You wanted to focus on the trip. You're addicted now, is what you are. Well done, though. Good exit. 450s. Okay. You're gonna go. Okay, sounds good. See ya. See you later. See you later. Uh, let's see. NVVE. Okay, NVVE. What are we doing here? Yeah, still red for the day, but yeah, highs of the day. It actually just pushed back from red to green, Elika. $5.60 double tops. 560. Let's go, Sky. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Thank you very much, Sky. I really appreciate that. Go. Let's go. I like that super sticker. I like it. Thank you very much. Nexi. Na, 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 na. Yeah, a little price action. Not too bad. Not bad at all. What's the daily like on this one? Okay, it has been dropping. So if the volume kicks in a bit more, it could actually do well, Kodai. It could actually do well. SPRC with a really nice drop there. With a really nice drop. That's if we can consolidate again and stop with the stupid games. Yeah, Kodai, that thing just needs a bit more volume. Alrighty, so watch it closely, see if we can break above 545. FRGT actually does have news. And it's slowly pushing, slowly. It needs a bit more volume as well, Richie. But yeah, slowly. At this point that it's at 29 cents, honestly, if you're not in already, you're almost better off waiting for breakouts. Right, it's already at 29 cents. It's 1 penny away from like that main resistance level of 30 cents. 30 cents. From 46, Jeremy. Okay, nice. Very nice. Are we halted on this thing? Oh yeah, it's halted. EVAX is halted down. Yeah. Well done. Well done. No code trades or frozen diamond hands. Let's go. Please and thank you. Please and thank you, Greg. Keep crushing it, Greg. My goodness, 13 months of awesomeness. So keep crushing it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Huh, interesting. Halt it. Any thoughts on SUGP today? You like the ticker? You just like the yeah. Oh, you just like the ticker. It's yeah. The IPO. Yeah, take a look in the IPO channel then. Thank you very much. And then SPRC just randomly popped to 620. That thing is wild. Like it is all over the place. All over the place. Yeah, it sold off again, Jeff. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it could break above $1. Yeah. Performance. What's the question? What is the question? Uh, three. Yeah. Yeah. For now, honestly, with these IPOs, you wait for them to come out and then you go from there. There's really nothing we can look at other than like what he posted in Discord. So, or is posting, right? So the company's been around for a long time. They're good employees, and they're IPOing around $4. Okay, that's not too bad, but we'll see. No question. It broke out VSME. Okay, sure. I'll take a look. VSME. I don't know if I'll call this a breakout just because we've been watching this thing since last night and it kept failing at the same level. So I don't think I would call this a breakout yet. Maybe on a retest, to 40 cents of the 200, maybe a performance. Other than that, it's still a bit questionable. Anyways, GETR is pushing again, or trying to. You now have left hand side resistance at 47 cents. This thing has way too much resistance below 50 cents. Way too much resistance below 50 cents. And what's virus and thrust? Uh, Interesting. There goes 47, 48. GETR. Yeah, there goes VSME slowly getting closer to 40 cents again performance. So yeah, that thing is still highly questionable. SPRC looks very interesting. I wish these things would give us a direction today, and just go. The volatile candles are nice, and if you're in the right direction, you're very happy. But when it goes against you, it moves quick, 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 quick. Back to GETR, 48.40. Win 50 cents, guys. Win 50 cents. Out at 48. Well done. Nice scalp. There goes 49 cents. PHUN is going to the bridge. Yeah, yeah. I'm not surprised. Yeah, there goes 30 below 35 cents. Right. So yeah, it's not a massive surprise, honestly. 49 cents. 49.40. 49. You're in at 46. Okay. Yeah. Can we break above for 50 cents yet, though? That's the question now. Can we break out, Omega? Can we break out? Oh 06. La la. The chop is on like those names. EVAX is on halted. On halted. Crazy, crazy, crazy stock. 1150. Nice. Isn't the listed ticker in the SEC filing? It's not. Huh, okay. Interesting. You did out of 49, Kimbella. Well done. My goodness, well done. 36 to 30 to 49. Well done. That's a really big move, by the way. Right. So congratulations. Congratulations. NXU is finally making a move. Is it actually? NXU. Yeah, coming off $1.40. Yeah, $1.40. Good morning, Vladimir. You're a bit late, but here, yeah, you made it. You made it. Hoping for 15% drop on Tesla, so you can add to your position. Yeah, I mean, again, they report earnings today. The market has been punishing Tesla, so if they do anything questionable, then they're for sure gonna get slapped to the abyss. Hopefully not, but who knows? Tesla, Tesla. No, for the most part, most people like Tesla as a stock, right? So it's just the negativity around Elon, and then the fact that they have earnings. 7% stop loss, Larry. Well done. That's a good plan. Good job. You sold EVAX. Uh, Rain, and we lose a really damn virus. Sheesh. You know what's crazy to me though? How like it's winter and there's snow everywhere, and you guys have like weather like that. You guys have flood. Do you guys ever have winter virus? Hmm, it's crazy, crazy, crazy. La 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 la. Mm, mm, mm. Crazy, crazy. Yeah, we're gonna need evacs to consolidate at some point here. Whether that's $10, $11, something. Give us a double bottom, and then we can play with it. Good exit, by the way. Again, that 50 cents is a really solid level for resistance, right? So Kimbella, 49 cents. Good job. Well done. VSME is breaking out now. Okay. VS Media. Yeah, that's well. Now that's a breakout. Now that's a breakout, right? Left hand side breakout. My goodness. 60? Oh, wow. That thing said, hey, just came back. Jill? Crazy. Well, at least it's not going for like hours and hours and hours or like days, so you're not having to, uh, yeah. VSME is halted, guys. Oh, wow. VSME is halted. You're holding 9,000 shares of SPRC? Yeah, it's halted. My goodness. I can last in these Canadian winters before I go back to the village. Visual, where's the village? Where's the village? La, 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 la. Where is the village? Yeah, we're gonna need GETR to break above 50 cents if we wanna keep pushing here. Alrighty. For now, that's a double top at 50 cents. EVAX is still kind of playing games. SPRC is still struggling with the same resistance. 610. Even though we've been above 610 a few times, we've had a hard time just closing above 610. So lots and lots of resistance. Lots and lots of resistance. La, 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 la. DWAC is surprisingly still holding that, still holding, which is nice. It's very nice. And then VSME is halted. A nice chunk of you did shirt on during this halt, Matt. Congratulations. Well, hopefully, but you were born here. Okay, okay. Where visual? Where in Africa were you born? Why is it halted? Because it's halted. Because it's volatility. It moved up too quickly and then it got halted. Volatility, Tony. No, so stocks. So again, I've mentioned this a few times, Tony. Right. So stocks have been halted. We've seen a few, right, that are halted around 70 cents, and then if nothing else until $1. At least in my experience, right? So it's very rare that you see a stock halt at this price, but we've seen a few halts at 70 cents ish. Alrighty, alrighty. Nah, that's if they yeah. I think they've done a split at some point. So then the yeah, it says 10.3 million for you. Okay, interesting. There goes GETR, guys. We're testing 50 cents again here for GETR. Retesting 50 cents. 50-50. Yeah. Below $1 halted. Yeah, yeah. We've seen a few of these things halt, right? There goes new highs of the day. Well, yeah, there goes new highs of the day for GETR, guys. So nice little breakout above 50 cents, and then boom skis 52. So if you're holding this one, congratulations as well, because it's fighting penny stocks. Penny stocks. Let's see. La 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 la. Well done. There you go. 53. 53 cents. Bitcoin is chopping. Yeah, I think Bitcoin is going to chop till we get back above the 200s, or until we have another catalyst that people can look forward to. So I think for now it's going to be chop, chop, chop. Okay, let's see what happens with interesting levels then. 53.50, guys, 190%. Amanda, what's your question? Let me know. Yeah, you're scalping those things really nicely. The volume is 2 million. Yeah, good volume. AM stupid C. Kimvella is not happy with AMC. Well, I don't think anybody's happy with AMC. I wish they would leave stuff alone. No, it's part of the game, Yeah, part of the game. Come on, GETR. Went 200%. 195, 196. And VSME is still halted. All right, he's still halted at 60 cents. The EVAX is going to need to consolidate at some point and then start to curl again. For now, it's looking a bit weak, right? SPRC is kind of the same idea. We wanted to break above 610 and consolidate, but it's not. So back to GETR. VSME is on halted and then immediate drop. So push to 62 on that halt and then back to 57. So, and then 54. I hate when a stock gets halted and then it opens and it goes below the halt price. I hate that. Absolutely. Heat. Let's see here actually. What's the bid on some of these? Bid and the ask. Okay, cool. One second, I just need to put a stop on something here in the long-term stuff. La 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 la. Okay, Let's do that. Okay. No. Okay, perfect. Review. I hate when an order goes into review. I think that's the silliest thing ever. Why they have review, I don't know. Why they have reviews, I don't know. No. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Anyways, DWAC green candle. Oh yeah, that's a. Oh my goodness, look at the size of those candles for DWAC. That's a really nice base, by the way. 4260 has become a really nice bottom for DWAC. Humble, really nice bottom, and then obviously PHUN is bouncing as well, so that's good. Obviously, it's bouncing as well, so that's really good. But yeah, that was a nice base. DWACs. Yeah, what a reversal. Yeah, they all just seem to follow like DWAC as usual. Na 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 na. Scared of what, Kimbella? What are you scared of? Getting a car ready to go. You weren't tuned in. Yeah, no, it's built a really nice base at 4260 ish. So that's a good thing. Okay, let's cancel these orders. Na, 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 na. Perfect. Here we go. Get back to our GETR here. I do like how well it's holding above 50 cents now that it's above, I like it. Stay above the damn 50 cents. Stay up there. Oh, la 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 la. Okay. Another position to manage. Cool. Interesting. What is this? When a stock is halted, does it typically rebound, or does it get so? Usually, what happens is if a stock is halted, like if it's pumping and it halts up, it's like it will usually open higher than the halt price. When a stock is crashing and it halts down, it will usually open lower. That's kind of the default settings for halts. Alrighty, so yeah. Yes. Hopefully that answers your question. So when it's halt, then you're asking like if it's halted down, if it's gonna rebound. You don't want to play with it like that. Yeah, the direction exactly, Kevin. So you don't want to play with it like that. Like, hey, if I get into the stock and it's halted down, like, is it going to rebound? That just becomes very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. You know. Um, okay. Interesting levels again. The scam halt. Yeah, that thing halted and then just immediately went to the abyss. This is why, like, I hate when something gets halted like this, especially at the price that it's not supposed to be halted at. Yeah. For now, you have support at 45, so hopefully it stays above 45 cents. Ready? No, 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 no. Hmm. Interesting. No, 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 no. Okay. Yeah. I mean, especially like on that first candle, like when it gets halted like that, and then your first candle is going below the halt price, it's usually a big red flag, a big red flag. So when the stock is halted at a specific price, you don't want to let it go back below that price, because then you might be getting yourself into trouble. So like you would almost want it to stay above 60 cents, the price that it halted at. Yeah. Okay. Uh, 17. Perfect. Is DWAC still pumping? No, it looks like we hit a little double top at 46 for DWAC. I'm actually impressed how well these things are holding up. DWAC and like all these other names, especially DWAC. Surprised how well it's holding up. But then again, maybe we shouldn't, because we know these things will keep pumping and pumping and pumping, or at least volatility. So the ends of elections. Hmm. Hmm. Interesting. With these Trump stocks, they struggle until they get volume, and then they do, and then they run. Yeah, we're gonna watch it close. No, 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 no. I wish these comments would like show up on their own. I've been playing with the settings and it's still not working, so I'm gonna give up on that and then figure it out later. A little bit distracted trying to fix that. Distracted trying to figure that out. Interesting. La, la. What's EVAX doing? The EVAX looks like it's trying to rebound. It's trying to, isn't it? Trying to. That thing is all over the place, though. Like the candles can. That's why I don't like this one. The candles are all over the place. This candle would almost need to give us a higher high or something to look presentable. Like it's all over the place. And the spread is also crazy. Like it's a 20-cent spread, 10-cent spread. Mm, but it is trying. It's forming a nice little demand zone there, so that's good. But still, interesting. La 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 la. On CCTG, you like that one. You like that stock a lot. Don't for my profits, please. Yeah, no, I was trying to fix that rubbish. So I just have to do that later, I guess. Just have to do that later. There we go. Fun is going crazy. Well, I mean, I don't know if this is crazy, JC, but it is trying. It is trying. So yeah, not crazy, but crazy would be about 40 cents. About 40 cents. That would be crazy. Let's see. Hmm. Uh, Mark, you are amazing already. Good luck. Have a wonderful day, Mark. Would have a wonderful meeting, a Zoom. Talk to you soon. Alrighty. Talk to you soon. Interesting. Okay. Futures. You love Virgo's loving futures. Loving futures. What then? Loving futures. 10 or nothing? Well, you're close. You're very close. You're up the charts. If you make $5,000 a day, you're definitely up the charts for expected gains for the end of the year. You know, like doing the math. DWAC is pumping 47. Beautiful, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Uh, yeah, I like what it's doing there. You know what's been nice about SPRC is that it keeps coming back and it's almost forming a nice little uptrend there, but still, my goodness, is that thing struggling at 610? It's really struggling at 610. So if at some point it can break up above that level, that would be good. And then, yeah, EVAX just keeps playing games there with that same level. Is anybody still holding EVAX? Or do we need to? Then GETR is back below 50 cents. Below 50 cents. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I think SPY puts. You're holding SPY puts. Okay. SPY puts. No, no, no. Is Phase is trying to come back? Let me take a look quickly because I know that thing was crazy yesterday. And also, they didn't do an offering, so maybe that's a good start. I mean, it's not too bad. It's 28 cents to where it's at now. That's not too bad. Not bad at all. SPY? It's at new all-time highs, isn't it? New all-time highs, of course. All-time highs. 488.40. My goodness. I don't know how it's doing that, but it's doing it. I don't know how, but it's doing it. Mm, it is doing it. Okay, I'll get rid of that one. Anybody still holding SPRC in the chat except for except for the uh, except for Chase? Anybody still in SPRC? There is a nice double bottom of 550, but yeah, DWAC is cooking. So that was a really good level for DWAC. Yeah, really good level. You're holding a phase at 30 cents, Vladimir? Okay. Well, hopefully it stays above 30 cents there for you. Stay above 30 cents, please, and thank you. 960 maybe? To the view apps. To the view apps. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, thank you. JL. JL. Long Group, new IPO. We looked at this one yet? I don't think we have. I don't think we have. IPO. Unless they had a different filing on that SEC thing. No, JL is a completely different one. Different stock. Different stock altogether. Anyways, yeah, this is another one you're waiting for it to open. Yeah, it's weird though because with all of these names, you really don't know when they're coming out. So then you're just waiting. Yeah. So yeah, see what you find for JL. See if you find some good stuff. Interesting. Okay, there we go. That should be kind of fixed, I think. Cool. RVSN, almost $5, Kevin. Are you still mostly shorting these things, Kevin, or you're going long? Mostly shorts or longs? Five. Okay. 788. Yeah, no, we played with it, or we watched it yesterday, right? So I know what level you're looking at. So let me take a look. RVSN. I mean, that thing looks weak. That thing looks very weak, Kevin. Be careful, unless you're short or something. Yeah, it's been giving you lower highs all day today, so I'm usually skeptical with that stuff. And yeah, so $5, 490 is your support. Well, so if we can stay above 490, then you have a chance. But below that, you have a problem. You're short. Okay, and then that's nice. That's why, man. That's why I was asking if you're short or long. Because if you're short, then you're good. You just needed to break below $5 again and stay below $5. When you're short position, right on. Yeah, well done. Well done. Na, 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 doo, doo. Mm, interesting. Okay. You posted details for both. Okay, thank you very much. So J Long, these guys were meant to do what? $5. Okay, they wanted to do $5. Hmm. Interesting. Let me take a look actually. No, 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 no. Okay. No. Yeah, let's see what happens when it gets unhalted. Unhalted. Beating on a couple of shorts during the holidays, Kevin. Yeah, we had too many rallies during the holidays. So if you're shorting those positions, yeah, for sure. For sure, for sure. I like that GETR is back above 50 cents. Yeah, it's doing a good job. Doing a good job above the 50. Yeah. Let me actually pull up both of them on the same thing here. Monster sub. Yeah, that thing looks like rubbish. It's below. As soon as that thing goes below the $4 IPO price, I don't like it. So for now, meh. AULT, Sebastian. AULT. What do I think about this? What's your position in that play? Let me know. What's your position? Mm, cool. And then the 200 is the 200. Sounds good. For now, without knowing your position, Sebastian, it looks okay. Like it's slowly giving you higher lows, right? Your next resistance is 82 cents. You're in at 8,000 shares at 71. My goodness. So you're green on that position. Um, you know what's interesting is like your entry is actually a nice base, right? So if you can stay above that, you're fine. Your next resistance is that 82-cent area. So break above that, and you're going to be happy. Break above, and you shall be happy. Okay. Cool. Jeff does. You're welcome, Sebastian. Well done. Good entry. Good entry. What's EVAX doing? EVAX, anything here? Nah, EVAX kind of consolidating, right? So about $10 is kind of what we wanted, anyways, right? So dip to $10 and then see if we can consolidate above $10. Yeah, that's not too bad. Um, hopefully, it can stay above $10. So the bottom of these candles is exactly $10, and it's up 10.50 now. Nice, very nice. Open. Perfect. Yeah, none of these IPOs really, I'm just looking at the details of the IPOs. Yeah, like none of them look like clear standouts. Clear standouts. Huh, interesting. I don't see anything that really and then Vino had some news too. Nice. Okay. Vino. Yeah, they're all like we're from the Cayman, we're from Hong Kong, but we're from the Cayman Islands. Blah 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 blah. So yeah, so then you're just focused on the price action. Price action. Interesting. Oh. Yeah, DWAC is. Yeah, no, DWAC has done really well. Yeah, I like that recovery. Watch that thing go from red to green, DMAC. That would be amazing, actually. Drag all the other stocks up with it. Are we on halted yet? No, still halted on the IPO. EVAX is having a really solid bounce from $10. That's nice. A solid bounce. I like that. GETR still holding 50 cents. And DWAC is back to 47. Yeah, it needs volume. It needs a catalyst or something. There needs to be another vote, Another vote. 2s and 10s. Interesting. Cool. VSME is trying to go again. Okay. I mean, if that thing breaks above 60 cents at some point, it could. Yeah. Not bad. What did we dip to the VWAP? Yep, exactly 45 cents. The VWAPs. Cool. And the stupid IPO still halted. There goes DWAC, guys. New highs of the day. 47.30. Actually hit $48. Oh, wow. Yeah, nice. DWAC. Frank, me? Who's Frank? Hi, Frank. Hello. Hello. I don't know anybody's name on Rumble unless their name is the same as YouTube. So, Frank, hello, hi. Hi. Hello, hi. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. If you have any questions, please ask. Any questions, please ask. I like that $10 bounce. I think that was a nice gamble. $10 and then a bounce. What's SPRC doing here? SPRC just been range bound all day today. I don't know if this thing will actually break out today. But we will keep a close eye on it because if it breaks above 610 and actually closes, and then it could do well. But For now, it's just going up and down, up and down, up and down. At least it's holding the demand zone though, so that's good, right? At least it's holding. Yeah, I wonder if Chase took those profits. So JL is halted again. It's unsalted and salted again. JL. So 850 to 1080. JL is gone. Okay. Yeah, like I said, there's nothing that really stands out for these guys as an IPO guys. Anything you need to know has been posted in the IPO channel in Discord. Thanks to Yi. So yeah, yeah, they wanted to IPO at $5. Well, it's obviously not at $5. Yeah, seven. Yeah, 1.4 million shares. So not exactly a massive float. We missed RR. Yeah, all these IPOs. Was that another one that was on the calendar? Because I know we had JL and then we had SUGP. Hmm. Anyways, RR. This was one from a while ago. Yeah, from a while ago. Mm, 7. Okay, perfect. Fun is going boomskis now. Yeah, with DWAC doing what it's doing, it's hard for Fun to not eventually catch up, especially after it's sold off. Yeah, back to 41 cents. Highs of the day. My goodness, these things are not giving up. Right? They're not giving up, which is amazing. Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, DWAC needs to give us a break above 48 and then push back to 50. $50. A little bit of profit taking as people sold the news. So fun, fun, fun. Yeah, low. Yeah, fun looks good. So it looks like for now the bottom we hit was 33. 33 was the was it Wes or Yi or Justin? Yeah, that 33 level that was talked about. 33. 33. 490. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, look at DWAC go. Oh my goodness. DWAC is at 49 now. Oh my goodness, that thing is on fire. Yeah, fun is green for the day. Yup. Well, almost. It actually hit it on that candle, but then came back down. It's down 2% now. My goodness. You're in at 38 cents? Beautiful. Congratulations. Congratulations. Hmm. Anyways, yeah, EVAX is almost back to $11. That's perfect. 10 to 11. 10 to 11. It's a nice run. Yeah, so the that main resistance is still $50 though for well done, Kevin. Still $50 for DWAC. $50. I do not agree. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, the breakouts. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah, that's a really nice run. Fun, fun, fun. Yeah, the breakout above 38 was actually quite nice. Well done, Yi. You like playing the breakouts. Impressive. I like it. Yeah, the break above the double top, and then it looks like a cup and handle, and then it also a break above the 200. That was a multi resistance breakout at 38 cents. Well done. Well done. JL is on halted, guys, and it's dropping, and it's halted down. Necessary volatility. Bunny ZJYL. I'm surprised that thing has been around for as long as it has. ZJYL. $200. Yeah. I think the reason why this isn't talked about so much is because it's $200. You know, yes, it could go up 100% really quickly, but yeah, Wes. Yep, yep. Well, I mean, especially on a name like that, though, right? So yes, sell off, but on a name like that, it's a bit different. If you're diamond handing something else, like a random penny stock, that hasn't proven that it can come back, then you have a problem. You know, then you have a problem. So yes, it really does depend on like what you're playing with. It really depends. La, 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 la. So GETR still playing with us here? Yeah, still playing with us, guys. 48 and then back down, and then 48 and then back down, and then 48 and then back down. Interesting. Now, is fun consider going crazy? I mean, it looks good. It looks good. I don't know what you want me to tell you. It looks good. It's still trying to get from red to green. EVAX is back to $11. Very nice. I like that $10 bounce. Like the $10 bounce. Okay, that's not what it's in there, is it? 23. Okay. Oh yeah, EVAX is pumping it now. Pumping it 11:30. It's a nice recovery. 11:40. 11:40. Yeah, maybe a dip to the 200 here for GETR. Maybe. But actually, it wouldn't be so bad. Wouldn't be too bad. 11:50. Oh my goodness. I like these from $13 to $10. I like these psychological level, gambles. It's like $10. Okay, what are the odds we bounce at $10? Pretty good. And then SPRC is still playing in the same stupid range. Same stupid range. DWAC. And it isn't it's not even noon. Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Send it. Send it, send it. Yeah, no, so we need to break about $50 for DWAC for the next push. You got stopped out? Okay. At least you made some money out of fund, which is good. Made some money. You must have had a really tight stop loss, because you had one red candle. But that's okay. That's okay. As long as you make money, that's okay. Event next week. I heard him mentioning something, but you can't find it. I have no idea. I thought the next one was next month. Yeah. Hmm. Uh, Yeah, I'll take a look. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Back to 49 cents. 49 cents. Yeah, DWAC is dropping a little bit there. So is fun, of course, but so is fun. Na, 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 na. Four. Review. Perfect. Hmm. Uh, CYN. Okay. CYN. La, la, la. That's not too bad, actually. What did we hit? Yeah. So I think the after hour highs were 1850 Lion. Yeah, 1850 triple tops. So break that, and then you're looking for you're looking for 20 cents. And then above 20 cents, the volume actually is pretty good. Yes, it's a penny stock, but the volume isn't too bad. With those gains, Netflix, no, we're done. We're done skis. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, let me know if you find anything. I don't know if there's a catalyst. So when I was watching the news or watching the results, I think they said something about like the next event is until for DWAC, right? So well for Trump, right? The next event was until like next month, like the next debate, the next votes, the next whatever they're doing. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm sure he's gonna do like impromptu meet or just he's gonna pop up all over the place, but like I think like the actual event, like actual votes. Let's see here. Okay, perfect. Nevada, that's next month. Okay. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, February 18. He's already okay. Is okay, sounds good. And that is a month out. Daniel, thank you. Yeah, so it's quite a ways away. So I don't know if that will hinder the rallies we get for fun in DWAC. I mean, DWAC has done well today, so but yeah, we'll see. DWAC is kind of struggling in that demand zone, so it's going to need to consolidate and bounce here as soon as possible. As soon as possible. It would be nice if this thing was sitting above $50. Actually, DWACs would be nice. Is Haley's hometown? She was. Oh wow! So she's going to win, or should win. Okay, should win. Olu, oh yeah, your membership expired. Okay, okay, okay. Sounds good. Welcome back. Welcome back. Probably not. Downside to up 20 and stressful. Were you happy not to be red, West? No, that's good. Not being red is always a good feeling, even if it's not a lot of money. Just not being red is good. Yeah, that would be interesting. Actually, I want to see. Yeah, I want to see if people in her hometown, like if they don't, then I think maybe she's gonna give up. Maybe she's gonna give up. That will be interesting. That might be the first one that I actually pay attention to, other than not just the results. Not just the results. Okay. Not the left, not the right. Is February 3rd. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. Oh, and really, Jay? Oh, wow. That's crazy. But then again, I can see why. I can see why. I do wish that you guys had, like, candidates that weren't, like, I don't know, just have so much drama. Should be able to find some nice candidates, but it's politics. She 100% drops. Oh yeah, she loses like in her hometown. Like, what are you fighting for still at that point? What are you fighting for? Uh, adapt screen sharpness quality better here, but overall I prefer. Yeah, okay, sounds good. Thank you. CM. Quality better. No buffering so far. Happens a lot on YouTube. Lonely here though. Oh wow. So the video quality is better. Interesting. Huh. Video quality is better on Rumble. Wow. Okay. Her whole thing was so now that left her, she has no one to yeah. Maybe she can give up and become a vice president who's and run beside. I don't know how they do that stuff. Crazy. There goes the break lion. 1850 just broke for CYN. 1850. Interesting. Very interesting. Choo, choo, choo. That's a nice push. Yeah, again, that break signals a push to 20 cents, right? That's actually quite impressive. Yeah, Kiwi. Okay, sounds good. I know nothing about these people, honestly. AOM. Yeah, no, that's a nice push, Lion. Very nice push. Uh, yep. There goes 1950. 1950. No, actually, yeah, okay, good. It's way better here. Yeah. Well, thank you for letting me know. Thank you. So we're gonna keep doing Rumble. Um, yeah. I don't know what you do here. I don't know if you smash a like or like you hit. Make sure you hit the follow button. Um, and all that stuff already on Rumble if you're on there. And yeah, I don't know how that whole thing works, but we'll figure it out. We shall figure it out. Let's see here. I'm just looking at the just looking at the settings. Cool. Done and done. Let's go. Thank you. Done and done. So high on this thing is 1970. 1970. Okay, we have like 10 more minutes, guys, and then we hop off and go do some one-on-ones. GETR still looks okay. I like that we're holding above and creating some of these higher lows, especially above the 200, so that's good. Looks like DWAC is trying to rebound, which is good. So it would be nice to see this thing above $50 at some point if it can. I think that would be kind of where we pick some momentum. So $50. Let's see if we can get there. Already, ready. La, 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 la. Yeah, I really need to create a channel in Discord. For politics, a channel that's safe for politics. No fighting in there, but so then we can keep the fighting somewhere else. Keep the fighting somewhere else. Not that we're fighting. I'm just saying, like the closer we get to, the closer we get to. Fun is trying to go green actually. Yep, it's only down 2%. Like they're both fighting. Wes, both fighting. The only problem now is like you have a double top at 43 cents, right? So until it breaks above that level, it really is still at resistance. Resistance. Okay. Okay, low doubt of that. Let me see here what's happening. TradingView. What is this one doing? Same price. And same price. Beautiful. La 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 la. That's a nice little drop there. So 1970 is still the highest for CYN. CYN. La, 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 la. Politics channel is asking for trouble. Maybe we shouldn't. Maybe we should just stay out of it. Price again. Roy, is it actually moving now? Let's see. Let me know when DWAC is at $50. $50. Let's see. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really look like I don't like that it's below $4. If it can get above $4 and consolidate above that level, then I don't mind. For now, meh, 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 meh. Yeah, allowed in most places. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, so maybe we just stay away from the politics and the religion. We're here for the stonks, so we stay with the stonks. Yeah, sensitive subjects, politics and religion. Yeah, Fun really wants to asking for trouble, right? It's not that that we're not entitled to like our opinion. The problem is like people usually get like their emotions hurts, the feelings hurt, or like someone just doesn't see other people's point of view, um, and then it becomes a problem. Yeah, too heated. Yeah, I agree. So okay, never mind. No politics. No politics. No politics. For VP, so DWAC can send it. That would be interesting, actually. If he's mentioned, maybe that thing goes boom skis. Maybe DWAC goes boom skis. Yeah. Oh, Fun is back to green, guys. Fun is green for the day now. Highs of the day. Highs of the day. Ooh wee. Nice. It's a nice push. Vivek will be VP. That's the guy that invested in DWAC, right? Interesting. Okay. Very interesting. PHUN. So awesome. Okay, well, they should announce that as soon as possible. As soon as possible, so then we can have continued rallies. More boomskis, please. More boomskis. Okay, I need to move a stop loss. Okay, perfect. What about well, not safe for work? Not safe for work. I think yeah, we used to have a not safe for work channel, but that place was interesting. That thing had to go. Uh, Philly, ayo, Philly. Hello, 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 hello. Interesting. Type in yes in the chat though. Like if you prefer Rumble over YouTube. Like if just in general, not because of the stream. I cannot not lose my. But like just in general, like if do you watch Rumble, or just type in yes if you watch Rumble. Okay, like if you, yeah, if that's like a place you go to, type in yes. Type in yes. Yeah, Bondi. Okay, interesting. It's the best. Wow, okay. Interesting. Yes, Gail. Wow. See, I did not know that. That's cool. Very very cool. Very very cool. So some of you guys prefer Rumble. Uh, well, are you gonna? Am I gonna stream on Rumble? I am streaming on Rumble. It's both. So if you prefer watching on Rumble, that's the link at the bottom of the chat. And censored from from you. Oh yeah. So yeah, it's at the bottom. The link is at the bottom of the chat there. So if you're into politics, oh okay, I see. Yeah, I was set up. Yeah, so it's up and running already. Like the stream is already on Rumble. Yeah, no, today's the first day we're doing it. Humble is no, 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 yeah. Interesting. Let's go, Christopher. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. I'm just because you guys were asking, so then we just did both. Right? It doesn't hurt anything. So, Greg, probably never. Why is ICU up today? I think it was just oversold. I think it's just an oversold bounce. Also keep in mind like it's up 5%. Like this is not a whole lot, right? So just an oversold bounce. EVAX is actually doing a good job rebounding these with the higher lows. Actually, not bad. Not bad at all. I like that retest to $10, and then a higher low at 1070. You in stop loss at 815 this year? Okay. Let me take a look. So you got into JL at 850. J long 850. Okay, it's halted up. It's halted up, so hopefully it keeps going in that direction. You're green for now, so good job. Philly because it does not censor. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Just make sure again. Just make sure you follow on the Rumble. Follow. Hit the like, share the link, all the fun stuff, and then so we can have like so if you're chilling on Rumble, we can have both. We can have so you're not feeling lonely on Rumble. So then the comments will be on both. So yeah, share the link, all the other fun stuff. What is a J Long? J Long is the name of the company. J Long Group is what they're calling it. JL. J Long Group Limited. So it's halted up. Hmm, interesting. Nice bottoms again for GETR. Fun. Fun needs to break above. Like it needs to break that double top and actually stay above the double top. Breakout and hold. CYN is going back up slowly, back above 19 cents. JLO. JLO Group. The what star? Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Many based on streamers, Nosotros. Okay. You could even reach out to him, see if I and would that's yeah, okay, sounds good. Sounds good. We'll get there. We'll get there. Follow the debt markets. Yeah, Tesla is not gonna follow till tonight. I'm excited to see what those Tesla earnings look like though. So we're gonna hop off in like a minute or so and then come back. All right, we'll come back for power hour and then we're gonna stay for like post earnings. Post earnings for Tesla. So that should be chaos. Chaos, chaos, chaos. Um, what do I think will happen? I'm hoping since like Tesla is sold off, that it will bounce. But then in the back of my mind, it's like every time Tesla reports earnings, people look for this. These analysts will look for the smallest thing and say nope, 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 nope. Um, Also, judging by the fact that they've been crashing Tesla while the rest of the market has gone to highs, we know the hate is there. They don't like Tesla. So if Tesla does anything wrong, they're going to send it to the abyss. But all the bad news you would think should be priced in. So I'm hoping for like a rally. Good job on CCTG. Good job, good job, good job. Good job, good job, good job. 1950, testing highs of the day, CYN. Elon gave in. Yeah, well, I'm hoping it runs. I think the bad news has been priced in, so I'm again hoping for a run, but you never know. You never know. On the scanner, LES, okay. LES. Okay, perfect. No, 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 no. Okay. Okay. Here you go. Don't read out loud. I like how you have to. People send me DMs sometimes, and I read them out loud. Crazy. Why am I muted? Unbelievable. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, no, it should be good to go now. Should be good to go. Okay, fixed. What's going on with DWAC? DWAC is just building a base. DWAC is holding above 46. So if you can stay above 46 DMAC, you should be okay. It sounds stupid, but yeah. Let's go. Oh, how to use it? Oh, he said he loses whenever he buys stocks, so he gave up. Oh, I see, I see, I see, I see. Nosotros, okay. Hmm. Yeah, maybe this weekend. Maybe this weekend. Okay. Hmm. Interesting. Phase is pumping now, of course, of course. Phase. Farze. Oh yeah, 34. Oh wow. Yeah, you have your pre-market highs at your well opening highs at 35 cents. Wow. Double bottoms 28 cents. Wow, wow, wow. That's a nice push. I really like what GETR is doing here. If they can keep creating these higher lows, and the CYN is so close to 20 cents. So close. So close. Hmm. Very, very close. Let's see. Troy, good morning. Are you just waking up now? Oh my goodness. Okay, so last 2 minutes, guys. Last 2 minutes. Uh, last 2 minutes. Let me know if you have any last questions, and then we will hop off and then come back for power hour. Uh, Thursday. Okay, sounds good. Okay, perfect. See you at Power Hour, Jay. See you at Power Hour. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat and come join us. Slower? Yeah, it's been slower when the market, as soon as the market opens, it looks like yeah, a little bit slower on the inside the demand zone on the 30 minute. Okay. 30-minute demand. EVAX looks good. No, 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 no. 17s and 8s. Cool. Alrighty, Johnny. See you later. Yeah. The EVAX looks good, so does CYN. CYN just had a drop as soon as I said that, right? So yeah, that $20 level it isn't quite breaking yet. CM, thank you very much. Have a wonderful afternoon. See you in a bit. See you later. Already. See you later. See you later. Alrighty, guys. Much love. Catch you guys for chaos in the afternoon and Tesla earnings. Tesla earnings. Alrighty, virus. Much love. See you later. Troy, go back to bed. I'll see you in Discord. See you in Discord already. Oh, bye, guys. Later, later.